Ever wondered why some YouTube videos get 100 views while others explode to millions? Is it luck? The algorithm?
Or is there actually a formula behind going viral? Here's the truth. There is no guarantee. Before worrying about editing, thumbnails, or hashtags, start with your idea. A perfectly edited video with a boring...
Same topic, completely different curiosity. So before you press record, ask yourself,
Think of your thumbnail and title as the entrance to your video. People can't watch a video they never click. But there's an important rule. Don't clickbait. Your title should create curiosity, your thumbnail should make the promise visually obvious. Now imagine someone clicks your video and leaves after 10 seconds. That's a problem. Your opening should answer one question. Why should I keep watching? Skip the unnecessary introduction. Get to the point. Create curiosity. And views are great, but shares, comments, and people sending your video to their friends can help your content travel further. So create something. You don't necessarily need to upload every single day. Consistency means creating a repeatable system. Study what works, improve one thing every upload, and keep going.
This is where most creators stop. Where do viewers leave? Where do viewers bring people back? Your analytics aren't just numbers, they're feedback.
So, is there a secret formula? Great idea, strong packaging. That's not a guaranteed recipe. That's not a guaranteed recipe for millions of views.
Don't chase one viral video. Build the skill. Idea, click, watch, share, repeat. Create, improve, repeat.